Nowadays, cardiovascular diseases are the leading cause of death worldwide. They kill more people than the other death causes combined. Unlike the older years, many people are young and die suddenly. Unfortunately, atherosclerosis is a silent disease because our arteries become too narrow to circulate blood properly. In this way, it creates significant heart problems, which show a heart attack or brain issues that display the stroke. There are many healthy foods to clear our arteries and prevent heart attack or stroke, but countless studies and research have scientifically proven these two foods for their benefits. A heart attack or a stroke can quickly happen when our arteries are not in good condition, because health has a huge enemy called atherosclerosis. Its effects can be severe and gradually lead to a stroke, heart attack, or even permanent health problems. When the inner walls of healthy arteries are soft and clean, they facilitate the proper transport of blood that our body needs. But many factors can cause artery problems, such as poor diet, smoking, obesity, stress, and diabetes. But some crucial foods can gradually clear the arteries from plaque and help prevent a stroke, thus preventing the formation of clots and their negative result, which is a stroke or heart attack. So, discover these foods' benefits, how they can help clean our arteries, how we can combine them to positively change our arteries and blood vessels condition, and how they can help to prevent stroke and heart attack from happening. If you are watching a video on your Healthy Zone for the first time, remember to subscribe and press the notification bell to avoid missing my next videos. Another essential factor is bad LDL cholesterol. Plant origin foods do not contain cholesterol, but only foods such as animal offal, eggs, red meat, seafood, and butter. However, cholesterol is essential for our life, and our bodies use it to repair the inner cell wall and synthesize various hormones. Nobody can survive without cholesterol, but when fat creates cholesterol, it sticks to the arteries' walls, creating plaque. It acts like the cigar that the tubes catch, and can slow down or block blood flow. This plaque blockage is atherosclerosis and can affect any artery in our bodies. It is called coronary heart disease if the plaque affects the arteries that supply blood to the heart. A clot can form on the surface when plaque develops in the arteries. Then, it can lead to an artery blockage and eventually a heart attack or stroke. So, let's see how we can combine these two healthy foods to gradually clear the arteries and prevent a heart attack or stroke. Number 1, lemon. Lemon contains significant amounts of flavonoids, which can successfully fight free radicals. Free radicals are incredibly destructive to our bodies. Lemons also have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer effects. At the same time, they significantly help in the fight against obesity. Obesity in turn, can cause diabetes and many heart and arteries problems due to inflammation. Lemons help metabolize lipids in the blood, lowering bad cholesterol and removing existing ones. At the same time, they increase good cholesterol levels and remove the destructive toxins that have accumulated in our bodies. Number 2, olive oil. Olive oil offers our bodies endless benefits crucial to our health, and a healthy weight and fat loss. A study of over 7,000 Spanish students found that olive oil was not associated with weight gain. The link between olive oil and the avoidance of stroke or heart attack risk has been studied extensively. Researchers published a review of various studies conducted on 841,211 people. The studies found that olive oil is the only source of monounsaturated fats associated with a significantly reduced risk of stroke and heart disease. Research also showed that because it is a Mediterranean diet staple, it substantially reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke in those who include it in their daily eating habits. Olive oil reduces inflammation, protects bad LDL cholesterol from oxidation, and improves the blood vessel's inner surface, thus preventing excessive blood clotting. It also lowers blood pressure, one of the most vital risk factors for heart disease and premature death. A study showed that regular consumption reduced the need for blood pressure medications by 48%. Olive oil also protects the endothelium, a membrane covering our blood vessels, arteries, and veins. The endothelium plays a dominant role in our cardiovascular system, regulating blood flow and the mechanism of inflammation and coagulation. These two simple ingredients above, lemon and olive oil, should be mixed. In such a way, they can be a powerful ally for our bodies. For example, they can clean arteries and blood vessels and protect against a possible stroke or heart attack. So, to make this mixture, put a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and squeeze some fresh lemon into it. Eat it in the morning on an empty stomach and at least half an hour before your breakfast. You can eat it before sleep and at least 2 to 3 hours after a meal. This powerful food combination will help cleanse your arteries and blood vessels successfully. From the first week, you will notice the differences in digestion, intestine improvements, and the increased energy you will have in your day and overall health. Although the combination of these two foods is healthy, it is best to ask your doctor before consuming it regularly. Did you know about the benefits of these two food combinations to our arteries? Have you tried eating them systematically so far? Please share this video with your family or friends and help another person who may need this life-saving mixture. If you found my video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and remember to subscribe to stay tuned for more videos on natural remedies, healthy eating, and overall wellness. Olive oil and lemon can create a strong and perfectly healthy mixture. It will help clean your arteries and blood vessels and improve proper blood flow. I wish you to be always well, and have a wonderful day and new week.